So we're about to explore this. This is one of several tunnels in the area. Go check out the old mine building before we go. Yeah, I say it's collapsing a little bit. Wonder if Emmett's been here. I don't understand why he likes to drive in buildings and tunnels and stuff, but yeah, see. Nice flooring though, it's slate. Yeah, this is slate, nice. Pretty modern. Oh yeah. Oh wow. It coming down. It's a coming down. Yeah, more coming in. Yeah, it's just interesting. Oh, what's this? It's a kiln. So they can do ore testing. Cool. Well, let me go finish getting ready and I'll meet you guys inside the tunnel. Well, here we go. Look at that. That is cool. Holy camole, this place is huge. There's a transmission. Nice little Chevy transmission there. What? Yeah, somebody did.
Wow.
All right, I got to turn the light on all the way, guys. This thing is, wow.
There's literal tire tracks.
This wouldn't be hard to drive a side-by-side in. Matter of fact, I probably can easily drive my Jeep in here. Wouldn't want to. Oh, that's the end of this one. Cool. I was kind of expecting this to be kind of like a maze. Maybe we haven't gotten into the mazy part yet. samples. They use that to collect samples, cuttings from the drill. Caution. Cautionage. So remember when we came in and there was that ledge? We're standing on top of that ledge now. Interesting. I don't know if they collapsed that or it collapsed on its own. I think that collapsed on its own. Yeah. See how that snapped right there and you got a big pile there? Because this is all that clay. Yeah, see? There's the anchor. Wow. You can just see the rust from, look at that, it's all corroded out. Well, that's it for this one. Looked like it might have been a rust pond at one point. Look at that.
Amazing.
Yeah. Oh, that goes down there. Oh, that goes down.
What is this?
I don't know, but it's in that clay matrix.
Yeah. Really cool. Oh, wow.
And so that you guys know, there is a heavy smell of sulfur. It's not overpowering, but you can kind of smell it. That's because of these, has sulfides in it. Yeah, see, all of that. Okay, here we go. Okay, I can feel it. So this is that clay. Again, so here, you see, it's as hard as a rock. But this is what happens when it gets saturated with water. And this is why it's this is actually starting to dry again. But yeah, see, it's just like a clay. You see, here's another brace.
That's where I found the shimmy rock.
Yeah, pretty.
The whole thing.
Yeah, that is neat.
Wild. Did you look up here?
This looks like a post and beam, but I can take a quick look before we continue on back down. Yeah. Yeah, that's all it is. It's just a post and beam holding up some workings. One of those things where it's easier to climb up. There it is. There's my footing. Yeah, that's all that clay rock. Looks like they were trying to connect to where I just climbed in. Oh, so that goes in there, and it looks closed off. Let's see. No, it's open.
This is all collapsed. Wow.
Yeah. Holy. That's a big pit. No, that's all it is, just a big pit. This is just a big pit back here. But you could tell that this collapse used to go straight to it. But it collapsed on itself. I'll see another way, maybe over here, instead of having to climb down. Oh, got some tanks over there. We'll check those out on the way out. Nope. Just a little storage slot. Or sample bags. No, cement bags, sorry. Those are all cement bags.
Oh, what's that?
Dynamite. That's explosives. Modern explosives all through here. All right. Oh, and I put my hand right next to one. Oh, that's sweet.
Back up.
So this is probably not cement. This is probably potassium nitrate to help the explosion. Let her go ahead and get a picture of that. Yeah, the modern tubes, they're not in paper, they're in plastic.
And they're probably more stable than.
Yeah, they are a lot more stable. They don't have the same issues of the leaching as the old stick ones, the old paper stick ones did.
Board.
That's cool though.
Think it's so good?
Probably is. Oh, okay, this is just ventilation tube. Yeah, that's all collapsed in. Well, that's the end of this Explorer. If you guys made it to the very end, I appreciate it. This gets you excited to do some exploring on your own. Do it. Have fun, be safe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.